Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about the investing in stock market. Okay, we have two markets in BSE. Okay, BSE stands for Bombay Stock Exchange and NSE. Okay, National Stock Exchange. Okay, you can open a demat account and you can buy stocks. You can invest in future options and you can trade ETFs. Okay, exchange traded funds like you just tracking the exchange indexes, okay, like ETFs are great investments. Okay, if you want to invest in commodities as well, you can invest in silver, gold, and other commodities as well. Okay, and the equity, okay, you can track Nifty 50 or Sensex 30 stocks from Bombay, okay, BSE, and we have so many blue chips and companies and large cap, small cap, and mid cap companies are there. Okay, you can do your research. Okay, there is index funds like for example, you have IT sector, you want to invest in IT sector, for example Infosys, TCS, Wipro, Mindtree, and so many IT companies are there in data center business as well as IT software, import, export, and development. Okay, all those things. Okay, and in India, okay, we have so many companies are there, but we need to see, do a little bit of homework and do some kind of a research in terms of the profits and the quarter on quarter growth and the debt, how much they have a debt, or it's a debt free company, or it's a ongoing quarter by quarter growing company, or have some issues with the company management side. Okay, you need to check all those things. Quarter on quarter results, you need to check it, and how much cash it has right now, and the margins. For example, for banks, NPA is very important, non performing assets. If non-performing asset goes increasing, then the the bank, not able to get a margin the required for the quarter. NPA, for example, whenever you see the results of a SBI or Punjab National Bank or ICICI Bank or HDFC Bank, you need to check the NPA, net non-performing asset. For example, okay, if the person is taking a loan, he is not paying EMIs. For example, Kingfisher owner Vijay Mallya or Nirav Modi, they took a 4,000 crore, they took a 2,000 crore from SBI. That account become a non-performing asset. Means it is not at all earning any interest, and they are not able to receive the principal as well. To receive the principal and interest, what they need to do? They need to sell the assets. Then that is the bank's headache. That means if the NPA is increasing, that means they are not able to make much margin. In NPA should be very nominal, not in a double digit. It should be in a single digit. Okay, we'll talk about NPA. And if you talk about the IT company's result, you need to check the profit margin and the future growth, what they are expecting, like 3% or 4% or 5%. Sometimes Infosys will give a guidance for the next quarter or next financial year. Okay, you need to keep track on each and everything, the results, how many employees they have, how many clients they added in the quarter, like this. And for automobile sector, how many vehicles they have sold for this month, December, November, October. The track is like the number of vehicles sales is increasing or decreasing, and how much profit they are making, and quarterly how much volumes they are getting. And for FMCG, okay, the volume, it's purely depends on volume. Okay, how much the consumption is going, and how people are, the brands, for example ITC, Godrej, HUL. Okay, nowadays because of make in India, people are making some local products and they are selling in local shops, and there is a huge competition for the branded. uh, Recently, okay, the Godrej Consumer Company said the volumes are decreasing because of the competition from the local markets. Okay, this is okay. You need to check each and every sector. Okay, how to read the results and how to invest and what what is the price. Some stocks are there in the NSE, BSE. Okay, you have so many things, and uh, and don't trade intraday, or don't invest in like if somebody is giving some tips, and you need to do your homework and invest, because it's your money, and you need to check the risk involved in. Okay, and whenever you invest in company, you need to check in and out of the company. And if you're investing in blue chip company and good profit making company like Infosys, TCS, no problem, no issues. If the market is going down, okay, no problem, you can buy the stocks and you keep it in your demat account. But if you are buying some unknown stocks, okay, it's a and you need to check, because you don't know, okay, but when the company will start performing. Okay, for example, we have some sectors are there, okay, like a sugar. It is non-performing sector from the last 1.5 years, 2 years. Okay, there is no uh, profit making in the sugar sector. Okay, so like this, okay, you have so many things in the stock market, but you need to verify all these data. We have so many data available on the web. Okay, you need to do your homework and start investing. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good one. Bye now.